So hi everyone, welcome back. So as I said the previous video, I'm going to try to repair the front of the car. So first I remove the damaged parts. There are some screws in here, and there is one under here, and there is one in here, but because of my garage is not too wide, I can't open full the door, so I need to somehow I need to remove this bolt. Now I take it off the broken headlight, and this one too, because this is broken too. Don't forget the connectors. Okay, this doesn't look so good. I hope I can repair, but I don't know. Well, so this is how it turned out. I don't think I can make it much better than this, because this mounting part, I don't know how it's called that. So this is damaged also, and that would need to be pulled straight. I don't have the tools for that, but now I try to put the headlight in, test fit the bumper, and if I can attach it, I'll probably just leave it like this. So I think this side is good, at least for me it's good. This side is not so good, but I think I can't make it better. So if I put the bumper in the right position, it's look like that. It's not the best, but that's it. This is gonna be good for me. So I sanded everything down to the bare metal, where it was rusty and where I had been hammering, and I painted it one coat of paint, so hopefully it won't rust as much. So now I put back everything in place. So it's done. This is the final result. I need this plastic and this one too. This, but I think it's not so bad. So